I didn't see you there. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Seda. I am from Istanbul, Turkey, and I love cooking. So I decided to create this YouTube channel for you. I'll be sharing with you my favorite recipes, the ingredients, the process, tips and tricks, how we cook it, and at the end, my boyfriend Connor will try it and give us his honest opinion. It's gonna be fun. I'm really excited you're here, and let's start with the first food, the Sultan's Delight. Alright guys, let's start with the ingredients. First, we got 2 layers for this dish. For the first layer, we need lamb meat, onion, garlic, tomatoes, olive oil, salt and pepper. For the second layer, we need eggplants, butter, olive oil, flour, milk, mozzarella. For seasoning, salt and pepper again. Here I'm gonna start with preparing onion and garlic. I will cook them first with olive oil a little bit until they turn brown color and they start smelling good before I add the meat on top. Here I'm cutting the meat to smaller pieces, trying to get rid of most of the fat because I don't want it to be turning out too greasy. Adding the meat on top of the garlic and onion mixture. I'm gonna let it cook until I'm done with preparing my tomato. Okay, here's a quick tip for you. Before you pick your tomatoes, definitely smell them. I don't know if it's the Turkish way or not, but that's how I do it all the time. Alright, adding tomato and tomato paste, mixing it with the meat. Already started smelling pretty good, to be honest. I can't wait to eat this food. Adding hot water and we'll just season it. It might look too much water, don't worry. It's not gonna be like this at the end. I'm gonna let it cook until I am done preparing the eggplant puree. For that, I needed to roast the eggplant. I did it for like an hour in the oven with 420 degrees. And we just need to dice them smaller pieces. Now it's time for eggplant puree. First I am mixing butter, olive oil, flour in the pot. Let it cook for about 2 minutes until it turns golden color. Then mixing it with the eggplant. Here I'm adding the milk on top. I'm gonna mix that a little bit too. It's almost time to add the mozzarella. I love this. With mozzarella, it turns out super nicely creamy texture. Finally seasoning it with black pepper and salt. That's all we need. It doesn't have anything else other than salt and pepper. It already has this roasted eggplant taste. You don't even have to add any other seasonings on top to make it delicious. That's it. That's all we needed to do for the eggplant. It already looks so yummy. I cannot wait to taste it. Like I told you, water wasn't too much. After cooking it for about 30 minutes, the water boiled down and it has now a thicker texture. Alright guys, I got Connor here with me. Like I mentioned in the intro, he is my boyfriend and he is going to try the food and tell us his honest opinion.
Yes.
What's up, Connor? It's been so long since I saw you.
Yes. How long has it been?
Ah.
Yeah, so my name's Connor. I'm your boyfriend. I like to eat. I'm very
I
hungry.
like to eat. Yes, we haven't eaten anything since breakfast and it has been like, I don't know, 10 hours or something.
Yes.
We're trying to shoot this video and we didn't get anything to eat, so we are pretty hungry.
Yes, so all of that set aside, looking at the dish, I think it looks very impressive. I like the kind of stacked nature of it. I'm not a huge vegetable eater, but because of her cooking, I have discovered that I love eggplant. This is actually one of my favorite dishes that she makes.
Is it because I'm a perfect cook? Is that why?
It's because you're a fantastic cook.
Okay, well, You want to try it?
Yes.
I'm gonna try it too, by the way. He's not just gonna
I'm gonna
eat
get
it
rid of this
himself.
because I'm not a big is that a garnish?
This is just a presentation. Have you ever?
I don't need it.
Okay,
if
whatever.
I'm not
I
eating
love
it.
parsley. This is parsley, by the way.
Alright. I'm gonna start off trying just the eggplant by itself.
Okay. I'm eating it all.
Eggplant tastes very good. Seasoned nicely on its own. It's nice and soft. Yeah, eggplant. Crushed.
He's acting like he's a food judge for like years.
I'm gonna have to watch some videos and learn some terminology. Think about mouth feel.
Make it like stay in your mouth a little bit.
You want me to spit it out?
Yeah, spit it
Like
out.
a wine
take it back
tasting?
in. Yeah,
All right.
do something.
Try a bit of everything now. Oh man.
I'm not saying because I cooked it, but it's
Damn.
really good.
But damn.
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 Yeah. Turned out pretty good.
Yeah. Let's see, what should we do? Scale? 10 out of 10?
Yeah, so let's have a scale.
Okay.
Like it's my opinion. Yeah, let's have a scale.
Yeah.
Okay,
All
1
right.
to 10.
Alright.
10 is the greatest. 1 is the like bad. I don't think I will ever be close to 1, but who knows?
Who knows? Maybe you'll just give me a pickle one day and 1.
Maybe. Let's do it like this. Presentation,
Presentation, okay.
taste, and what else we can scale. We are so bad at this.
We were not prepared.
No, we were not.
We're doing
It's just, you know,
Let's
spontaneous.
start a YouTube channel.
We do it. Okay, the presentation, taste.
Presentation. I like the plate. I like the stacking of it.
Okay.
It doesn't look really good.
What do you mean?
Kind of brown, a little red, you know, it just
Dude,
sort
this
of...
is the color of the...
I'm the judge here. This,
Okay, hold on.
you said in the intro, I get to give my honest opinion.
But I mean, what am I supposed to do with the color of it? Like, it's tomato and meat, red, and the eggplant is greenish, brownish color. Do you want me to put some like food coloring stuff?
I'm just saying,
Okay, fine.
looking at it,
Maybe I should change the boyfriend.
7 out of 10 appearance.
7 out of 10.
I like the plate.
You go to hell.
Okay.
7 out of 10.
Alright,
I even put a parsley.
8 out of 10. And I got rid of the parsley.
You did because you don't want to eat it. That's why it's not because you don't like the presentation.
Okay, alright.
Fine.
Presentation, 8 out of 10.
What would, okay, how about will be 10? You gotta, if you say it is 8 out of 10,
I don't know. I'm not a chef.
what? Ah, I'm not a chef either. I'm just cooking.
Okay.
Okay,
Taste, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
I was expecting like
100%.
20 out of 10 or something. Or 100 out of 10.
Oh, we can go more?
Go to more. I mean, sky is your limit, bro.
The lamb is
Connor.
delicious.
Calm down. This is a big bite. Maybe you're in front of the camera, so I don't want losing subscribers that I don't even have yet. I mean, keeps eating, right?
Taste is definitely 10 out of 10.
Okay.
The
So-
onions, the lamb, the eggplant, all together, just
Fantastic.
mm,
Phenomenal.
phenomenal.
Phenomenal. What is the overall score?
18 out of 20.
You know?
Ultimate score is 20.
Okay.
On those 2 grades.
Okay. Well,
So now do we just time lapse us eating all of it?
no. Nobody wants. Okay. Is that all you gotta say?
That-
Our dear judge? Biased judge?
I have no complaints. My
Okay.
only downside was appearance.
Parsley.
It doesn't look.
The
really
parsley
amazing.
or the color? Dude, I can't do
I think
anything
just
about the
the
colors.
I don't know what to say.
What do you want me to do?
It
Like,
looks
should I put like
just a pile of
a drop, like, I don't know, like
I mean,
olive oil or something?
maybe
Okay.
just a pretty little. We got a nice little chef's white plate. Do like a little spoon of something. I don't know.
Okay, well,
That's all I got.
I got your feedback. Thank you so much. Thank you, Connor, for joining our video today.
And next time with a different.
Okay, all right, well, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked and enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye, we're gonna eat now.